Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the workbench again. Well, I have to apologize to you that it's taking so long. Anyway, there's something happened with my wife and had to be cared of, and it took quite a while to get it all straightened out. So everything is alright now. So as you can see on the workbench, the Tranceiver, I built everything together again. So you can see our amplifier on the bottom, and I didn't test them yet. So the only thing I know is that the receiver works, and as I told you, I replaced that transistor and that diode there. I checked everything and that was okay. Anyway, the only thing I have to do now is to turn this little capacitor here so that it doesn't work. So this last stage is not a resonance, so if you turn this up too far, this goes in oscillation, there's a feedback, and then you get the maximum current, and then he's gone. So anyway, guys, I'm not able to make any QSO at the moment, so there's a very bad reception, so I can't make a QSO. What I will do next, in the next video, I will adjust this transmitter and make that QSO in another video, if you don't mind. And I will leave it here at part 4. So I apologize for the delay. Anyway, actually now I'm stuck again, so I have to do something that is more important. So I will do that in a later date. So I hope you're not too disappointed. Anyway, guys, I will do my best to get this thing working again. And I will see you in the next video.